Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you the 5 best AI tools that you can use for your HVAC business in 2026. So if you run an HVAC company, whether it's installation, repair, or maintenance, well, AI can help you get more leads, automate the customer service, manage your schedules, and grow your business faster. Okay, so the first tool is the ChatGPT. That's right, the very famous AI tool this day. So ChatGPT is an AI assistant that can help HVAC businesses with a lot of daily tasks like writing service, um, writing the service description, creating the marketing post, responding to customer inquiries, and even generating email templates. You can actually use that right here. And you can also use it to create ads for services like AC repair, maintenance packages, or seasonal promotion. So it basically helps you to save time on writing and planning so you can focus on more on the actual job. All right. So this one is best for marketing content, customer replies, and business planning. The next one is we have the Go High Level. Okay, so Go High Level has a 14-day trial as well. That's right. So this is the website looks like. Okay, so the Go High Level is an all-in-one CRM and automation platforms that works really well for HVAC businesses. So you can use it to capture leads from ads, manage the customer bookings, send SMS reminders, and automate the follow-ups after service calls. So for example, after fixing an AC unit, it can automatically send a message asking for a review or offering, for your maintenance plans. So this one is best for lead generation, booking, and customer follow-up automation. Okay, so we have here for the capture, so the nurture section, so you can build relationships that convert. You can get more leads in the door. You can close deals with less back and forth, and create fans, not just customers. And you can get back on their radar. Okay, so the next one is we have the Jumper. I know you guys are familiar with this tool. Okay, so this one is actually designed for services businesses like HVAC, plumbing, and cleaning. So it helps you schedule jobs, send codes, create invoices, and track technicians in the field. So you just have to open your web browser and then search for Jobber. So you'd be able to see this first website right here. So just simply tap on it. That's right. And then after that, you just have to tap on the start free trial. So you can start a free trial. Okay, so for the pricing, you have to go here. And for the pricing, we have for the monthly. So if you only have one user, so the core line is $30 only. For the Connect, we have 84, and for the Grow, we have 120. Okay, so with the AI features and automation, well, Jobber makes it easier to manage your daily operations without confusions or missed appointments. So this one is best for scheduling, invoicing, and field service management. All right. So you can explore their products right here. As you can see, we have coding, invoicing, payments, online bookings, and of course, client communication. That is very important. Next one is we have the Service Titan. Okay, so the Service Titan is one of the most powerful software tools for HVAC companies. It helps with dispatching technicians, tracking jobs, managing the customer history, and optimizing the sales opportunities. It also uses data and automation to help business owners understand performance and increase revenue per job. Okay, so again, just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for Service Titan and you would be directed to this website. So here, as you can see, we have for commercial section for the solution. Okay, so here and their products. So let's start here on the commercial section. All right, so as you can see right here, we can deliver high quality work on time and identify pull-through work opportunities to maximize the profits on every contract, accelerate the data entry, and remove manual errors with the equipment model and serial number scanning right from your mobile device. And of course, for the reporting, the power profitability with real-time costing and proactive budget tracking to keep jobs on the budget and efficient. Okay, so let's go here to the HVAC section. That's right. Okay, so for the commercial, as you can see, you can generate and send branded professional proposals and quotes with multiple options that automatically convert to agreements as soon as your customers accepts. For the job costing, you can gain real-time job costing insights, including labor, materials, and profit margins to accurately bid every commercial HVAC job and hit revenue targets. So we also have our constructions and residentials. And lastly, we have the Zapier. Okay, so it connects different apps together so they can work automatically. For example, when someone fills out a contact form on your website, well, Zapier can automatically send that lead to your CRM, notify your team, and trigger a follow-up email. So this helps HVAC businesses reduce manual work and improve the response time. So again, you just have to open any other web browser and then just search for zapier.com. And as you can see for the product section, so we have the Zap workflows, tables, forms, canvas, agents, and the chatbots. And for the solutions, okay, so we have this right here. And for by app, we have Salesforce, HubSpot. So there are so many things that you can do using this tool. So this one is best for automation between apps and workflows. So yeah, again, our top 5 tools for HVAC businesses in 2026, we have ChatGPT for content and communication, Go High Level for CRM and automation, Jobber for scheduling and invoicing, Service Titan for full business management, and Zapier for workflow automation. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.